So for removal of the front tonneau cover cylinder or front stowage compartment cylinder, that one is identical to the ones in the rear, part number 88957086. I've crawled into the trunk. I'm on my back in here, and this cylinder is all the way in the forward middle of the trunk. It's hidden by the little cloth here that is just suspended from the top. I'll move the cloth out of the way. Let's see, there, it's out of the way. You can see the cylinder, easy to take out. You just, like with the others, slide your flat screwdriver into this clip to pull the clip out. I'll put the clip in a magnetic tray so it doesn't get lost. Do the same thing in the rear, and let's see, I tried the wrong end. There we go. Pull the one pin out, and the rear pin is stationary, so on that one we only had to remove the clip. Now we already have the cylinder out. All we have to do is take out the hoses, same as we do with all the other cylinders. Try to pry our small flat screwdriver between the gap between the fitting and the clip itself. Don't lose the clip. Let's see, do I get as lucky on this one? Yes, it moves pretty easily. There we go. The clip is almost out. Well, I'll have to find that clip in a moment. Pull out the hoses. The front hose is number 61, the shaft end, and the other one must be number 62. I put this cylinder aside and grab a new one. Here we have a new one, and first, as always, put the O-ring on the hydraulic line fitting, then push the fitting straight into the cylinder, secure it later, then put the O-ring onto the other fitting, push that fitting straight in. Use the one clip that I haven't lost yet. Secure the rear hose. Oops, there it popped out again. I didn't quite have the clip back in yet. Okay, now I'll take my screwdriver if I can grab it. There it is. With the screwdriver I push the clip in and secure it. Now I go lift my head and try to find the other clip that just went flying on me. Found the clip, securing it in place. There it is. And we slide the cylinder back on its rear or bottom mounting pin. Extend the shaft. Find the other pin in the magnetic tray, put it in place, secure both clips, and there we go. We have replaced the front tonneau cylinder. Ta-da!